Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious peanut butter fudge. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want to have your peanut butter, sugar, butter, and milk ready to go. Also, make sure you have a baking dish, about 8 by 8 inches, prepared and waiting. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your sugar, butter, and milk. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil. Once it's boiling, continue to cook it for exactly 5 minutes. Remember to stir constantly during this time to prevent scorching and ensure everything blends perfectly. This step is crucial for the fudge's texture. After 5 minutes of boiling, carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. This is where the magic happens. Immediately add your peanut butter to the hot mixture. Stir it vigorously until the peanut butter is completely melted and smoothly incorporated. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and extra depth of flavor. Keep stirring until it's all beautifully combined. Finally, it's time to finish up. Pour the hot fudge mixture into your prepared 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Spread it evenly with a spatula. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Let the fudge cool completely at room temperature until it's firm and set. Once it's firm, cut it into small, delicious squares. Your homemade peanut butter fudge is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.